So first, we need to put the gas canister into the barbecue. And we have to be very careful with it, especially as we're near a campfire.
I'll do it! No! I'll do it!
Careful, girls! Oh, wait! Where's James?
I think he went that way to get a phone signal.
OK, you lot stay here and don't touch anything. I won't be long.
I'll get the gas canister ready for Ellie. No, I'll get it. No, I will.
Ellie said not to touch anything.
Oh, since when have you ever done what you're told? Give it to me. Oh, no!
Quick! Stand back, everyone, and get upwind!
There is a forest fire near the mill.
There's a forest fire near the mill.
And the wind is making it spread quickly.
And the wind is making it spread quickly.
We're on our way, sir. Penny, bring Jupiter and meet us at the mill.
Roger that, Sam.
Away from the fire.
Good work, Norman.
Oh, I'll never wash my shirt again.
You never wash your shirt anyway, Norman. Here's Fireman Sam!
Looks like the fire's spreading fast, Sam.
Penny, you operate the outlets on Jupiter. Come on, Penny. Let's put out that fire.